Hey everyone, want your Facebook ads that get more clicks and conversion? Here's how to optimize your ad copy with Anyword. Let's get started. First, you need to log into anyword.com and here, click the plus create content button and describe your Facebook ad campaign like the product, offer, and target audience. Then here, use an example prompt or type your prompt like this example. Create Facebook ad copy for a limited time 30% off skincare sale. This in typing a prompt you need to be detailed and more specific. Then here after refining and finalizing your prompt click generate to view multiple variations with performance scores. Pick the highest scoring, add and tweak it for your audience. And that's it. Optimize Facebook ad copy in just minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.